Howdy guys, in today's video with VinylCut we'll be looking at guidelines. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different software we do cover and we upload videos daily. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now guidelines can be used for multiple reasons. I mean, the name itself kind of says a lot. But then let's say you want to restrain a design to specific measurements or anything like that, then the guides come in very, very handy. And so yeah, let's have a quick look at where to locate it. So then the easiest way to add guidelines is you can go to these little measuring rulers on the side, and then you just click on it and you drag and you'll see these blue lines appear. So you can decide where you want to put this. But for now, I just want to quickly go to my view and go put show grid off. So the guides are a little bit more obvious at least. So now you can do this with the vertical and the horizontal. So we can also drag a guide in here. Then place it. You probably can't see it really well, but you've got this faint blue line here that shows you where's the guides. Now to edit it, there's two ways we can do it. First, we can go on top here on the top menu to view, then we go to guides, and then you'll see we've got a few options here. We've got show guides, hide guides, lock guides, unlock guides, clear guides, and edit. Let's just go to edit guidelines. Okay, now this the way this works to me is it was a little bit different to what I'm used to at first. For instance, let's say you want to edit a guideline, then you'll click it. Let's say I change the color. Then what I'm used to is just saying okay, and the changes are made. But in order for these changes to work, you actually have to click this little modify button. So you only click it after you've made your changes. And then now, I don't know if you can see it, but this has changed to red. So now, like I mentioned, we've got vertical guidelines and horizontal guidelines. At the bottom here, we've got remove all horizontal, remove all vertical. So if you don't like them, you can remove them there. You can also add new ones. So what you can do is you can choose what you want, horizontal or vertical. Then you can set custom measurements. Let's say make this 10 and 10 inches. Make it a color we'll notice is different to the rest, maybe green. And then what you can do is you click on the add. Now we can see there we've got a new guideline added. We also have the options to lock them here individually or the visibility. But like I said, just keep in mind, select the right guideline, do your changes, and then click modify. Also, same way, we just take the one we just created, you can click remove and then it will remove it. Then another feature that's good to know is to lock the guidelines. So let's say we want this guideline, when we pull it close, this shape, when we pull it close to a guideline, it will snap it onto it. In order to do that, you can go to view, then we go snap to, and then we select guidelines. So I already have it on, but by default it's not. So now if we select this cube and we move it close to this guideline, you'll see as it gets close, it snaps to that guide. So like I said, this is a nice way to make sure you stay within certain requirements of measurements and so forth. And then if you snap on the corner of both, then it will snap it to that. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basics on the guidelines. Let's just quickly go to the website. So if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more like it. Where, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we have this nice little feature search option here. So if you're looking for anything specific, and also if you don't find what you're looking for, you can just request a training video and then we'll make it for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.